guys, just came across a super interesting device, and that's the LCR-ST1. That's this intelligent bridge tweezer. So if you want to test something complicated, some circuit boards within some electronic devices, or just do simple tests like resistance or diodes or some other components, this could be super helpful. And the brand is the well-known FNIRSI, probably even #1 when it comes to price, quality, function. I'm already using a lot of their devices. They have a lot of functions, usually very easy to use, very reliable. They have never disappointed. And so you can see comes in this very nice pocket. That's already a first plus. Everything very well organized. Comes with a detailed instructions manual in English and Chinese probably. We have different heads, and the device is also rechargeable, and so we get also this standard USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And so here's the device itself, really nice, very convenient, easy to be used. You can easily squeeze it, and so that's the big advantage what I see here compared to normal multi-tester, something like this one here, where you pretty much always need two hands. That's much easier to use, especially if it comes to small components. And of course we have much more functionality. It has also some automatic detection, so we can turn it on here easily with a push. And then we have this toggle here on top, which you can use to select pretty much everything. Of course we want to select the English, and then we push down to confirm. So we have left, right and push down, very easy to use. And that's the main menu. And so when we push down, we can adjust the different numbers, push down again, choose next item. But of course most helpful, the automatic mode. By the way, to access to full menu we can long press here on this hold button, and then we can use this toggle here, for example for the language. We push here inside again, Chinese, English. Then we have the volume, backlight illumination adjustment, auto off, restore about, those things. And to leave we can long press here again. I think it has an automatic turn off, but we can also long press here to turn it off. To turn on is just a short press. So let's test, for example, the resistance of this resistor here on the left side. Get a reading of 2.184 kilo ohm. When we remove it, it stays for a little bit, but then gets lost. So if you want to keep the reading, we can push here on this button. We get a nice hold. Let's do also a quick comparison with this FNIRSI multimeter 2.199 here. Maybe I didn't hit the metal absolutely correctly, but we are pretty close. Definitely no problem with that. Or let's test here, for example, this 100 microfarad capacitor. That's this one here, and you can see we get a pretty fast, stable reading on that. Yeah, pretty cool, and definitely a huge advantage when we can hold this in our hand. By the way, we can charge it here with USB-C, but also connect it to a computer, so we can read out the numbers. And to transfer data to a computer, we connect USB-C to USB-C. So I plug it in here, and it opens directly this CSV file. We can double click, and so we can see and read all the details which are stored here in this very cool device. Yeah, I would say if you're an electronic guy testing such devices on a regular basis, this could be super helpful. Definitely full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.